Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. In the xy plane above, the slope of PQ is -1 and the slope of QR is 1/2. What is the slope of PR? Okay, we have the slope for the line segment PQ over here, it's -1, and also we have the slope for the line segment QR over here, and it's 1/2, and we have to find the slope of PR over here. Okay, now let me assume the value A at the point Q on the y-axis. Since we have this point Q on the y-axis over here, the x-coordinate must be 0 and the y-coordinate is a value that we have on the y-axis at the point Q, that is A. Okay, now I got the point Q. Okay, now let's find the slope of the line segment PQ using the points 2, 0 and 0, A. Okay, let me write the point P first, and that is 2, 0, then Q, that is 0, A. And also let me assume this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Okay, when I know the 2 points on the line, there is a formula to get the slope. Let me write it. So slope of PQ equals to, the formula to get the slope of a line is y2 negative y1 divided by x2 negative x1. Here y2 is a and y1 is 0 and x2 is 0 and x1 is 2. Then I'm getting a over -2, or it can also be as negative a over 2. Okay, now I got the slope of line PQ using the 2 points on the line 2, 0 and 0, A. But already the slope of the line PQ is given in the question, so that is -1. So this -1 and this negative a over 2, both of them represent the same stuff, that is slope of the line segment PQ. So we can equate them. When I equate them, I'm getting negative a over 2 is equal to -1. Okay, now let me multiply both sides of this equation by -1 to get the negative sign over here. So when I multiply this one by -1, the negative times negative will become positive. 1 times a over 2 is just a over 2, and -1 times -1 on the right side will become +1. Okay, now let me multiply both sides of the equation by 2. Then this 2 will cancel out. Then I'm getting a equals to 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, I got the value of a, that is 2. Now let me replace a at point Q by 2. Okay, now the point Q is clear. And also we have the slope of the line QR, that is 1/2. But now I'm going to find the slope of the line QR using the points 0, 2 and R, K, like what I've done so far for the line PQ. Okay, let me do it. First, let me write the point Q, that is 0, 2, and point R is R, K. Okay, let me say this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Okay, slope of QR. Let me write it over here. The same formula, y2 negative y1 divided by x2 negative x1. So y2 is k and y1 is 2 and x2 is 6 and x1 is 0. Then we get k negative 2 divided by 6. So this is the slope of line QR. But already we have the slope of line QR in the question, that is 1/2. So this 1/2 and k negative 2 over 6. So both of them represent the same stuff, that is a slope of line QR. So we can equate them. Then we get k negative 2 divided by 6 equals to 1/2. Now let's solve for k in this equation. Let me multiply both sides of this equation by 6. Then this 6 will cancel out. K negative 2 equals to 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 6 3 times. 1 times 3 is 3. Now let me add 2 to both sides. When I do so, this negative 2 positive will cancel out. I'm getting k equals to 5. Okay, now I got the value of k. Here the point R, we can replace this k by 5. Okay, now our aim is to find the slope of the line segment PR. Actually, the point R was incomplete because there was an unknown constant k, but now we got the value of that unknown constant k, that is 5. Okay, now both the points P and R are complete, that is here the point P 2, 0 and here R 6, 5. So none of the coordinates is unknown. Okay, now using these 2 points P of 2, 0 and R of 6, 5, we can get the slope of the line segment PR using the same formula, y2 negative y1 divided by x2 negative x1. Okay, now let me erase the stuff and continue the problem. Let me write the 2 points P and R. Okay, so P of 2, 0 and R of 6, 5. Okay, let me take the point P as x1, y1 and R as x2, y2. Okay, let me write the stuff over here. That is slope of line segment PR equals to, the formula is y2 negative y1 divided by x2 negative x1. Okay, the value of y2 is 5, the value of y1 is 0, and the value of x2 is 6, and the value of x1 is 2. So 5 negative 0 is 5, and 6 negative 2 is 4. Okay, if I want, I can write this fraction as a decimal, that is 1.25. Therefore, the slope of the line segment PR is 5/4 or 1.25.